Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, to make sure that you do share this video. So, new season of Gogo Mawini's reality show is back on our screens, you guys. And after each and every episode, jaws are definitely dropped as this controversial Sangoma slash witch, self-proclaimed witch, does the unthinkable on television, showing us the other part of the spiritual realm. Now, on yesterday's episode, so Ugogo Mawini, of course, consulting this lady who wanted to deal with her husband side check. You guys, we saw Ugogo Mawini, of course, going to somewhere like a ditch where she did a very deadly ritual on the side chick. The side chick had love with, of course, the husband, and she unfortunately left her panties, her underwear, in the house. That's when the wife, found it and took it to Gogoma Winnie, of course, for Gogoma Winnie to work on the dirty underwear. You guys, now Gogoma Winnie teaches us something about dirty clothing and underwear, and she says that if you leave around your dirty things, witches might will definitely be having access to you. They will wreak havoc in your life. And now we saw Gogoma Winnie, of course, going to a dish, yeah, whereby this very deadly ritual was performed, and people were saying that she is actually definitely promoting witchcraft on national television. Now we saw the main wife going to that ditch and of course speaking um over the underwear, and of course digging it up, you guys. And Gogoma Winnie says that side chick's life will be turned upside down, you guys. Anyways, what do you think about this? Please, of course, engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below, and also subscribe if you haven't yet done so, so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. And of course, TikTok had quite a lot to say, and these are some of the comments. Zamogeba Kala says, imagine going viral uyotlisa uyothakatha. And someone said, imanike amase kukhona ke bakithi. So she's ruining another woman's life because of a man. Wow. Matlata says, yeah, no, we're not safe anymore. What's the use for doing this? And even her boyfriend is not safe. Why wasn't she behaving, bewitching the husband also? Lie Kalo Njalo. He's the one that disrespected her. Why isn't she bewitching the husband also? He's the one that disrespected him. Lions ipipi lakhe lingasebenzi, meaning she should make his manhood not work. You guys, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section down below, and also subscribe if you haven't yet done so, so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.